All of the content contained in this webcast is for informational purposes only. The investments and strategies contained in this webcast may not be suitable for you. Please consult your own independent financial advisor before making any investment or trading decisions. Welcome back, traders, investors. Second portion of our show, market movers. One market mover we have moving down is Pandora Media, currently trading down 3.82 in the pre-market, over 26%, extending its losses, disappointing the street. Taking a look at the pre-market activity, this stock has just continued to make incremental new lows here. The recent low at 1038, getting a little bit of a bounce. Kind of looks like it's a rounding bottom here. The problem is I don't know where the bottom is. $10 is major support in this stock. Looking back at the activity in this stock from January, so perhaps that would be, if you're holding out for a rock bottom price, you can hold out for the $10. But just the way that this thing's trading in the pre-market, looking for a little bit of a pop in Pandora. Moving on to a stock that's making a nice up move here, Sienna Corp. After falling off a cliff up here, I don't know what happened from 1727 level. This stock came down and made a low yesterday at 1340. It narrowed its loss on lower revenue. Street seems to like it, getting a nice pop here in the pre-market. Pre-market high is at 1474, so I would keep an eye on that level, as well as the three-day high at 15. Looking at the pre-market, I'd say we still need to hold this 1460 level in order to keep this rally going in Sienna Corp. Our next market mover, Netflix, really could not find any real news associated with that. The only thing from looking at the charts, in a very volatile down day yesterday, the stock only had a little bit over a 3.5 point range, getting a nice pop here in the pre-market. I'm looking for resistance in this stock at 118. If this run can continue, I think it really needs to hold 109.50 to get back a little bit into yesterday's range in order to keep this rally going. Another stock that we have in the news, Discovery Labs. Well, they certainly had a good discovery with surfaxin, a drug used to treat respiratory disease in infants. Got FDA approval yesterday. Had quite the wild ride yesterday. Ended up settling at 3.75. Now it's currently trading up $1.50 in the pre-market. We had a crazy high at 6.03 in Discovery, so that will be our major resistance in this stock. Looking at the monthlies, this stock just has gotten whacked since 2006, when it was once a $130 stock, went all the way down and skimmed the bottom of the chart here under $2, and now is making a recovery. If there's been buyers along the way, I'm sure that they'll be looking to use this kind of news as a reason to take some profits, if there is any. Last market mover we have is Cypress Semiconductor. Stock's been around forever. They lowered their guidance, but that seemed to be it paid attention. The street paid attention to that a little bit. Spiked it down to 1526. Spiked it down to 1501. Getting a recovery rally going up here to 1626. I'd use that 1626, currently where we're trading, up to yesterday's high at 1638 as resistance. Gap to fill at 1657. Looking at the chart here, though, it looks like someone had an inkling that the earnings weren't going to be so good, as this stock is sold off from the $19 level of mid-February with a pretty strong market. I'd say as long as this stock holds 1580, which coincides with yesterday's low at 1577, we'd be poised to trade up and test that 1650 area. That's our market movers for today, folks, and we'll be back with you tomorrow.